Bradford, and today I have with me Max. Max here is a 5-month-old black lab. As you can see, he's got a lot of energy, just big puppy energy. Not a lot of crazy stuff going on with him, just mostly just general obedience. So calm, sit, down, place, all the basics. He does know a little bit of sit, stuff like that, a little bit more like treat motivated. As you can see, he's kind of pulling because he's tugging because he's really distracted at the moment. So things like that are what we're going to be working on through his duration of his 2-week board and train, his all basic obedience, as well as the distractibility of his puppy energy. So let's go ahead and get into it, see what he already knows, and we're going to see what we already got to work on, okay? Max, come. Good boy, Max, sit. Sit, good, sit. Off. See, there's the jumping. That was another thing the owners wanted to work on is him jumping quite a bit. He does like to jump up onto his family members and greeting, things like that. Kind of an issue. Next, sit. Next, sit. Sit. Down. Down. Next, sit. Down. I don't think we know that one yet. Next, place. 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 Well, we kind of got that one. The owner said he kind of knows that one. Pops off, so we got to work on duration on that one. Off. Let's jump in. Next, come. Come. Heel. 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 Next, heel. Come on, buddy. As you can see, he has no idea what heel is. We got to work on that so we can walk with his owners a little bit more calmly. But other than that, Max is a great dog. He's going to do great over the next 2 weeks. Keep watching to see his 2-week transformation.